And then down here below where it says furnace repair service in Salem, Oregon, then we're going to fill it out and we're going to give a little bit more detail. So we've got expert HVAC solutions, including installations. So that doesn't help Google because Google just sees installations. Now there's a million different kinds of installations. We're wanting like furnace installations. We're wanting heat pump installations. We're wanting other things like that that people would search. And so you need to actually put that